给你。好，拆掉月人胶之后，把所有白线都拔掉。
Now disconnect all the cables and the connectors. There's some black holder on it. We have to open the lock, the black lock first. Then take out the cable. And also, we have to aware of the direction of the cable.
USB 口。
And now remove the USB port. Take out the USB port.
打开盖子。
Open the wind cover.
拆掉这个。
Use the small Phillips screw
电解棒。
to remove
要把这个
the electrode.
这个叫高压包排线，把它松一下螺丝。
Also loose this hole. This is connect the high voltage
要从这里
Pack
把它拿出来。
and remove the white cable from here.
好，要把这个底座部
Now
分分开，放一边。
Remove the upper part from the base. So this is the core frame we're going to change.
要从侧边有两个
Firstly,
固定
there are
最
two
近电机的螺
screws
丝，把它松掉。
fixing the push motor. Loose the two screws here. Now take out the push motor and put it aside.
这边也是
Go
一
to
样。
another side. Same process. Remove their 2 screws. Fixing the pushing motor.
好，这边也是把它拿掉。
Put it aside.
那这里有2个螺丝，
Now there are 2 screws
把它松一下。
here. Loose these 2 screws.
这边也是有2个螺丝，把它松一下。那这里这个线是绑住的，把它剪开。注意不要，
Cut the bonding cable here.
注意不要剪到这些线。
Be careful.
一定要小心。
Do not cut the other cables here. Only the bonding cable.
这边也是一样。好，把它反转过来。
Turn it over. Open the wind cover.
这里有4个大的螺丝，把它松掉。
There are 2 screws fixing the white lamp.